So welcome back guys. On today's video I'll be talking about how to make money online on Fiverr here in Nigeria 2021 without having any skills, or without doing any work yourself on Fiverr. Okay, so I'm trying to make this video short because based on my YouTube studio, you guys love short videos, so I will try to make it quick and short. So if you're new on my channel, please subscribe, leave a like only if this video gives you value. So I'm trying to make everything short and valuable, so let's just get started. First of all, you have to go to fiverr.com. okay, so you have to go to a site, fiverr.com. So if you're already watching the video, you know what is Fiverr. Yeah, Fiverr is a freelance website where you sell your services for, when you do survey and we work for people and then pay you, just a freelance website. So I've already choose a category. We'll be going for this category on background remover. Okay, background remover. As you can see, I'm using my phone, so you can make money online using your phone. So you'll be removing background from people's images, like let's say photos, on Fiverr here, and you don't have to do any work. You don't have to have any experience on Photoshop or CorelDRAW or Adobe Photoshop or anything. I'll show you a website that will do all work for you automatically. You don't have to do any work. All you have to do is copy the photo, paste it there, and the work is done for you. Okay, so as you can see, this guy here has already sold up to 556. Has gone up to 566 work here. And even if we carry this in down to $5, this guy is still making up to $2,000 for just doing this thing on Fiverr. So go to Fiverr now, create an account on Fiverr. So let me just show you guys the website that you use. Just copy the images and paste them, and it will do all the work for you. So for the website, all you have to do is just to go to this website, www.remove.bg. okay, remove.bg. Okay, so here is the website, remove.bg. All you have to do here is just upload an image and it will do all work for you, just like this, the original background remove. That's all you need to do here. So go to Fiverr, talk with clients, come over here in just 5 seconds with 0 click. In just 5 seconds, all the work is done for you. In just 5 seconds, all the work is done for you in just 5 seconds. As easy as that, in just 5 seconds. So guys, go now to Fiverr and start making money on Fiverr with this method by removing images on background. So leave a like to this video, subscribe to my channel if you love this video, and I will be doing more videos. So please subscribe and tell me the kind of video you want me to make in the comment section, or ask any question if you are confused, and I will be there to answer. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video.